Hello kids. Now let's continue lesson 6, the keyboard part 2. So in the previous video we have learned about the alphabet keys and number keys on the keyboard. Now in this class we will learn about special keys and function keys. Now see the special keys. Special keys are Enter key, Space bar, Caps Lock key and Backspace key. All these keys have their different functions. Let's start with the Enter key. See the Enter key in the picture. It is used to move the cursor to the next line while typing. When you press this button Enter, then the cursor automatically moves to the next line. Cursor. So what is a cursor? A cursor is a small blinking line on the screen. Now see this. This is a cursor. This line is cursor. This one. The Enter key is also called Return key. Return key. There are two Enter keys on the keyboard. There are two Enter keys. See, one is here and another one is here. So after Enter key, there comes the Space bar key. See, the name indicates space. It is used to give space in between the words. Space bar is the longest key in the keyboard. See in the picture? In the keyboard, this one is the longest. Space bar is the longest key. Now see the example here. When we type a sentence, I love my country. Without a space bar, it will look I love my country. So, nothing is making sense. Now, type the sentence using the space bar key. I space love space my space country. So you have to press space bar key after every word. Next is the caps lock key. It is an on or off key. On or off key. What does it mean? If we switch on the caps lock, capital letters are typed. And if we press it again, or if we off the caps lock key, small letters are typed. Okay, so to write anything in capital letters, we switch on the caps lock. And for small letters, we switch it off. See, here is the caps lock button in the picture. This is the keyboard and here we have our caps lock button. Caps lock. Next is the backspace key. It is the last key in the row of number keys marked with backward arrow. See, we have a backward arrow on this key. Next is the function keys. There are 12 function keys marked with F1 to F12. These keys perform different functions. Function keys are on the topmost row of the keyboard. So kids, this is the picture of the keyboard where all the keys are mentioned. Okay, so here is the caps lock key in this corner. Now these are the number keys. These are the function keys in the topmost row. Here is the backspace key. Now enter keys, we have two enter keys, this one and this one in this corner, and alphabet keys. These are the alphabet keys A, B, C, D. These are not in the alphabetical order. And here the longest key, the space key, space bar key. So kids, now read this chapter 2 times on your own and try to understand about the keyboard.